Hey y'all, this is Kandi. I am bringing you a recipe for egg white bread. I tweaked it a little bit again, and I think that this new recipe turned out wonderful. To me, it was super easy and the results were perfect. You'll see if you wait till the end how super soft this bread was. And it just, to me, reminded me so much of regular white bread. So I am not going to bore y'all with mixing all the ingredients up. I have sped this part up really fast so we can get to the good stuff, and that is what the bread looks like and the taste test. I will list all the ingredients and the macros down below for you guys, but you can see right here as I'm spreading it out in the pan that it is just not that tall, and because of that yeast and the egg whites that we whipped up, it really does raise up when I bake it. And I hope that you guys try this recipe out and enjoy it. Let me know down below if you do. So some of y'all had questions about if you should let the bread cool off in the oven. For me, I do not. I immediately take it out of the oven and I use that parchment paper and I immediately take it out of the pan and I remove the parchment paper and I cool it off on the rack. So you can see right here, I am taking it off that parchment paper and you will see that bread just steaming up a storm. So it is super hot when I'm taking it off the parchment paper. And that's how I treat my bread. You may find that you need to do it differently. So when I made this bread, I did notice that the sides shrunk in a teeny tiny bit on this bread. It was not too bad, so it didn't bother me. Some recipes shrink in a lot. This one was not bad. When I use the arrowroot fiber, it doesn't seem to shrink in at all, but I really like the result with the total milk protein, so it did not bother me, that shrinkage at all. Here's the new bread. Terry's gonna have himself a bacon sandwich.
With lunch meat.
With lunch meat. And pepperoni and cheese, apparently. It's not gonna be a BLT, but
I'm only doing one.
it smells delicious. Here's what our bread looks like. No squeaking, you guys. Just deliciousness. So, it smells good. I made it a little bit different. It's kind of shaped funky. But
Looks like a house.
it's very tender. It does look like a house. I made it a little bit different. I can't remember what the difference was, though. I'm trying to think, what was the difference?
Looks like a first grader trying to draw a house.
Anyways, I'm going to taste it. See if it tastes good. It's yummy.
How many did you cut for me?
You said you wanted to have one.
Oh, we'll just slice the other two.
I don't know. I just was slicing. I
I can eat two.
I got carried away.
I can eat two.
I got carried away. You need a knife for the mayo?
Yep.
All right.
Okay,
I'm making two. I'm going to have some butter.
Andy forced me into it.
I didn't force him into nothing.
Yep.
It's good. Do you want to taste it by itself? Plain? Look, it is pretty tender. I need to zoom in. Where's my phone? Oh, there's my phone. He's wanting a sandwich. He don't want to wait for nothing.
Nope.
You just make your sandwich. I'm going to zoom in.
You know what to say. You just do you, boo.
You do you, boo. You do you, boo. We have just been, well, me, cleaning and cooking. But I don't know if you guys can see
You
that.
took the bigger piece. You gave me the end.
Oh, do you want a piece in the middle? Can you guys see that?
Extreme close up.
Can you? Whoa. Whoa. So, I will put the recipe down below.
As usual.
As usual, I'll put the recipe down below that I used for this particular egg white bread. It's just like white bread. Yummy. Not dry. Not dry at all. Does not stick to the roof of my mouth. Remember when you were little? Well, I used to do this. We used to peel the crust off the bread like that. And then we'd take the inside of the bread and roll it into balls. Did you used to do that? Well, you always used to roll it into balls. Do you remember that? Look, it doesn't pop back open. It actually rolled into a ball. Egg white bread don't do that. Not the original. That'll just pop open because it's like styrofoam. But this is good. All right, you guys. I'm closing it out so I can go finish my slice of bread. And I think I'm going to go watch a movie. I think I might have a piece of bacon on my bread.
It's October. You know what kind of movies to watch.
Scary. We're going to watch a scary movie. There's a new scary movie on Netflix, you guys.
I was hearing that on the radio on Lithium today. Lithium
Season
XM.
for scary?
As soon as it turned October, every channel turned into scary movies.
All right. You know what that means? I got to go get my blanket and maybe some keto hot cocoa. I don't know.
You even got your fur babies ready.
Yep, my puppies are ready. So I'm going to go and eat my bread and bacon and watch a scary movie. I'll catch y'all later. Bye.